Are you tired of dealing with clogged gutters, leaking, or water running over the edge of your gutters? Are you unsure if you need a repair or if you need to replace your gutters? In this video, we'll walk you through the gutter services that we offer. Seamless installations, gutter repair, and gutter guard systems. So that way you know exactly what to expect when you work with us. By the end of this video, you'll know how we approach gutter problems, how to prevent future issues, and if we're the right fit for your home. Hi, I'm Cody Stephens with Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, and today I'm going to talk to you about the gutter services we offer and why they're important to you. Here at Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, we only install 6-inch seamless gutters. The reason why we only install seamless gutters is because there's fewer joints and fewer issues with leaking. So if you're curious what kind of gutter repairs that we handle, generally we only deal with replacement of gutters, unless of course there's a simple fix like a sagging gutter that just needs to be reset. The reason why we generally only replace gutters is because typically if your gutters are leaking, dented, or damaged, the best way to fix that is to replace your gutters per section. Here at Hoel Roofing, we do have a service minimum of $1,500. So depending on the size of your home, the cost for a replacement is going to be pretty comparable to our service minimum, so repair may not be the best option for you. If you're curious when you should consider gutter guards, depending on your property, if you have a lot of trees surrounding your home, gutter guards may be a great option for you. Here at Hoel Roofing, we install aluminum gutter guards. The pros to the gutter guards are that it keeps your gutters from clogging, and you never have to worry about any debris clogging up your downspouts. However, the cons to gutter guards are there is still maintenance involved. Occasionally, you will have to get up there and clean off the debris from the tops of your gutter guards. The things that make Hoel Roofing's gutter service different from other companies is we provide honest and open solutions to your problems. We give you an honest answer on why sometimes it is just more worth your time to replace your gutters rather than repair your gutters due to the cost comparison. We also provide quality installation with premium materials such as 6-inch seamless gutters. Gutters might not be the most exciting part of your home, but they do some of the most important work, such as protecting your foundation, your landscaping, and your roof. If you're noticing issues or just want to stop cleaning them out every season, get in touch with us. Use the link below to schedule an inspection or quote. We'll help you find the right fix, not just sell you something you don't need.